Imagine, in a single instant, your body begins to shrink, not just the size of an ant, not even a bacterium, but the size of an atom, smaller than anything the human eye can see. The world you once knew? Gone. Now, you've entered the quantum realm, a place where the laws of physics get weird, really weird. An atom is the smallest unit of matter. Its size? About 0.1 nanometers. That means you're now 10 million times smaller than a single strand of human hair. And get this, most of what we call an atom is empty space. Physicist Richard Feynman once said, everything is made of atoms, and most of an atom is empty space. If the nucleus of an atom were the size of a tennis ball, its electrons would orbit a football stadium away. You're now floating in a universe of nothingness. Here's where things get crazy. At this scale, Newton's laws no longer apply. You've entered the realm of quantum mechanics. Electrons don't have a fixed position. They exist in clouds of probability and can be in two places at once. And you? You might experience superposition, being in multiple places simultaneously. This is the world of Schrödinger's cat and the double-slit experiment. In the quantum world, reality is not what it seems. It's governed by possibilities, not certainties. Light, as you know it, becomes too large for you to even perceive. The world turns strange and dark. Time may not feel the same either. According to Einstein's theory of relativity and quantum time theory, your experience of time might slow down or even jump unpredictably. And here's the wildest part, you could quantum tunnel. That means you could pass through solid walls without breaking them. This isn't science fiction. Quantum tunneling is real, and it's how MRI machines and quantum computers work today. Now imagine you're growing back, returning to human size, but something inside you has changed. You've seen the fabric of reality from the inside, a world where particles teleport, behave randomly, and nothing is ever truly certain. This is the quantum world, and maybe one day, we won't just imagine it. We'll explore it on purpose. If you could shrink to the size of an atom, what's the first thing you'd explore? Leave your answer in the comments. And if you love this kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Help us bring science to life, one mind-blowing idea at a time.